Do you want to get better grades in your school physics? Is school physics making you feel a bit like this?
Admittedly, I didn't enjoy physics.
If you're finding your grades are slipping and your confidence is going in the wrong direction, then maybe you can relate to this.
And I really thought that there would be no hope for me.
This channel then is aimed at you. My goal is that after you've engaged with my content, you will be able to say this.
I felt very reassured as the topic started to become much clearer.
Your sense of awe and fascination at this most wonderful subject is bound to increase. If you want to be able to say this,
I went from C's and D's to A's and A stars.
then I am sure my content can help. After about 3 months into my senior level physics at school, things began to get tough. This was a shock to the system for me. Physics had become
Quite challenging and difficult.
Since it seemed that, disappointingly, I was no physics Einstein after all, and after the inevitable disastrous mock grade in physics, I had to double down on my efforts. I did this by breaking down the content and spending ages on exam questions. Gradually, as my grades increased, so did my fascination with this wonderful subject.
As well as feeling more confident in myself and my own abilities.
On my channel, I want to use 2 main ways to help you get better grades in your physics. The first one is to break down the content into small, simple, clear, bite-sized pieces.
He makes even the most difficult concepts easy to grasp.
Edward breaks things down so that
Even a 7-year-old could understand.
Over and over again, my students say to me something along the lines of, I think I understand the concepts, but I just don't know what to do with the exam questions.
I just didn't know what was going on.
Since this is such a regular cry for help, the second aim of my channel is to equip you to face exam questions with more confidence.
To improve my grades in both subjects.
On my channel then, you will find lots of content and lots of examples of exam questions. As I'm sure you've realised by now, it's going to be hard work, but it's also going to be enjoyable. If you do this, your grades will improve and you'll be able to say,
Physics is by far my favourite.
so why not get involved? Why not subscribe and leave comments and ask questions like other students have? I'm aiming to put out 1 video a week, but maybe, who knows, even more excitement awaits.
If it wasn't for it, then I wouldn't be in uni.
I really enjoy interacting with my viewers. After all, I'm a teacher at heart and it's all about communication. Looking forward to connecting.